Gautam Buddha said, "Success is not what is visible. Success is what is felt from within." When you are broken, tired and still smile and say, "I will start again." That is where the real success begins. There comes a turn in everyone's life where there are two paths. One is easy, comfortable but hollow. The other is difficult and rocky, but your dream is on that path. Those who choose the easy path also live. But those who choose the difficult path make history. Success never makes noise. It is built slowly. In the hard work done by staying awake at night, in the eyes filled with tears, and in that heart which gets joined again even after breaking again and again. The world will laugh till you become successful. And when you become successful, the same people will say that we already knew that